2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power x is equal to 16 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3x. Find the value of x. We have to find the value of x such that if we replace x with its value, the left hand side of this equation will be equal to the right hand side. We take solution. We have 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power x is equal to 16 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3x. First, we are going to start by expressing the number 16 in index form with 2 at the base. 16 in index form with 2 at the base is simply equal to 2 raised to the power 4. Now, if we take 16 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3x, it will simply be equal to 2 raised to the power 4, all this raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3x. The next step, we are going to express 4 here in index form with 2 at the base. We know 4 in index form with 2 at the base is simply 2 raised to the power 2. This will be equal to 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2 in brackets. All this raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3x. At this level, we are going to make use of a raised to the power n. All this raised to the power m is simply equal to a raised to the power n times n. We are going to multiply the powers. This will simply be equal to 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2 times 2 raised to the power 3x. This will simply be equal to, for us to multiply the powers here, we are going to apply the first law of indices, which states that a raised to the power n times a raised to the power n is simply equal to a raised to the power n plus n. We are going to add the powers. This will be equal to 2 raised to the power. You'll see here we have the same basis, raised to the power 2. We are going to add the powers. 2 plus 3x. It simply means 16 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3x is the same as 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3x. I'm going to replace it here in this our equation. This will give us 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power x is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3x. At this level, you will see that the bases are the same. If the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, then the powers must be the same. Then 2 raised to the power x will be equal to, we are equating the powers, will be equal to 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3x. You will see that the bases are still the same. The powers must be the same. Then x will be equal to 2 plus 3x. Next step, we are going to make x the subject of formula. Then x, we are going to transfer 3x to the left hand side. which becomes negative. X minus 3x will be equal to 2. X minus 3x is equal to negative 2x. It simply means negative 2x will be equal to 2. Negative 2x is equal to 2. For us to get the value of x, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is negative 2. Then, negative 2x divided by negative 2 will be equal to 2 divided by negative 2. Negative 2 will strike off with negative 2. This will give us x to be equal to 2 divided by negative 2 is simply equal to negative 1. Therefore, let's conclude, x will be equal to negative 1. This simply means if we go back to that given problem, we replace x with negative 1, we simplify, the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. For the given problem, we have 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power x is equal to 16 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3x. We take the left hand side, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power x. We are going to replace x with negative 1. This will be equal to 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power negative 1. And this will simply be equal to, if we have a raised to the power negative n, it is simply equal to 1 all over a raised to the power n. This will simply be equal to 2 raised to the power a half. If you take 2 raised to the power negative 1, to make use of this, it will simply be equal to a half. We know 2 raised to the power a half is simply equal to the square root of 2. Next, we move now to the right hand side. We have 16 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3x. We know that this will simply be equal to 16 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3 times negative 1 gives us negative 3. This will simply be equal to 16 raised to the power 1 all over 2 raised to the power 3 as such. And this will simply be equal to 16 raised to the power 1 over, 2 raised to the power 3 is simply 8. This will simply be equal to, let me start from here, this will simply be equal to, we are taking the 8th root of 16, which is simply equal to, we know 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4. That means we are taking the 8th root of 2 raised to the power 4, which will simply be the same as 2 raised to the power 4 all over 8, which is simply equal to 2 raised to the power a half, which is simply equal to the square root of 2. You'll see that the left hand side and the right hand side are the same when we replace x with negative 1. Therefore, negative 1 is the correct answer. Thank you very much for watching.